everyone! Welcome back to Realtecshop. If you're looking for a high-performance laptop in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the HP 2025 new 17-inch laptop. A beast packed with 64GB RAM and 2.5TB SSD storage. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or business professional, this laptop might just be the perfect fit for you. Stick around for our in-depth review, benchmarks, and real-world tests. Let's get started. First things first. Let's talk about design and build quality. The HP 2025 17-inch laptop features a sleek and modern aluminum finish, making it look as premium as it performs. At just under 5 pounds, it's lightweight for a 17-inch laptop, yet sturdy enough to handle daily use. The full-sized backlit keyboard and precision trackpad make typing and navigation effortless. Performance is where the HP 2025 17-inch laptop truly shines. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U 6-core processor, delivering blazing fast speeds and efficiency. Whether you're running Adobe Premiere Pro, AutoCAD, or playing AAA games, this laptop doesn't break a sweat. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest highlights: 64GB of RAM. This means zero lag, smooth multitasking, and lightning-fast response times. No matter how many tabs or programs you have open. And the 2.5TB SSD storage? That's a combination of a 2TB PCIe SSD plus a 512GB HPP 500 portable SSD, giving you ample space for 4K videos, massive game libraries, and all your work files. Gamers, you'll love this. While the HP 2025 doesn't come with a dedicated GPU, the integrated AMD Radeon graphics still provide a solid gaming experience. We tested titles like Fortnite, Cyberpunk 2077, and Call of Duty, and the performance was smooth at medium to high settings. If you're a casual or indie gamer, this laptop delivers a fantastic balance of power and efficiency. Battery life is another big win. The HP 2025 17-inch laptop gives you up to 10 hours of usage on a full charge, making it ideal for long work sessions or travel. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, multiple USB-C and HDMI ports, connectivity is seamless. So, is the HP 2025 17-inch laptop worth it? Absolutely. With its powerful AMD processor, massive 64GB RAM, and 2.5TB SSD storage, this laptop is perfect for professionals, students, and creators who need speed and reliability. While it's not a dedicated gaming machine, it still holds up well for casual gaming and multimedia tasks. If you're looking for a high-performance, future-proof laptop in 2025, this could be the one for you. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.